This video will teach you the best ways to make money in your spare time while going to university. We'll keep adding new ways, so go ahead and subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the like button. And please do share your own ideas in the comments. 1. Online surveys. An increasingly popular way for students to make money is to fill out online surveys in their spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members worldwide to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of form filling, you can make a couple of quid, which is paid as cash or rewards. You can bag up to £3, $5 for some surveys. A few good ones to try are Taluna, Life Points, Branded Surveys, Inbox Pounds, OnePoll, I Say, Opinion Outpost, YouGov, Pinecone, Survey Bots, Hiving, Panel Base, Prolific, Valued Opinions, Panel Opinion, The Opinion Panel, Survey Junkie. Also sign up for Swag Bucks, which rewards you for surveys as well as simply surfing the web, watching videos and playing games. 3. Online market trading. Whilst this isn't necessarily an easy way to make money, investing in stock markets can be lucrative if you learn to do it properly and safely. By the same token, you may suffer significant losses if you don't take it seriously. Today there is no need to fund the yachts of Wolf of Wall Street style stockbrokers. You can do it all yourself with the help of online market trading platforms. Having spent many hours researching this new opportunity, I've been experimenting with the two biggest platforms, Plus500 and eToro.com. Both offer free practice accounts. Overall, I prefer eToro with over 12 million users worldwide. It has been featured in a BBC Two documentary, Traders, Millions by the Minute, and recently began sponsoring several Premier League football clubs. Affiliate marketing. If you've got a good presence on social media, or perhaps you even have a blog or website, you can start bringing in money immediately by promoting all sorts of companies, products, services and offers online. Sign up as a publisher on the AWIN network, check their offers blog, or browse the merchant listings to find something you think your friends would be interested in. Grab your affiliate link and share it. If someone buys, can be within up to 90 days, using your link you'll make a nice commission. To take it a step further, set up a website, read our guide, or a topical Facebook page and invite all your friends to join it and post your affiliate offers on there. Review websites and apps for cash. Well, it seems like you're pretty nifty with a web browser, so perhaps it's time to turn pro and browse websites as a paid and fun job. Introducing usertesting.com, a new platform that pays everyday people to review all kinds of websites. Each review takes around 20 minutes and bags you $10, £6.50 via PayPal. Simply sign up here, complete a test review and look forward to receiving websites in your inbox. That's it for the video. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe.